Rahul, introduce yourself.
Sir, I belong to Gaya, from where I have done my schooling till class 8. Then I shifted to Patna, from where I have done my matriculation and intermediate. Then I shifted to Haldia Institute of Technology, from where I have done my bachelor's in civil engineering in 2017. And some of my hobby includes gymming. We as a human should serve the society in best possible way, sir. Profit orientation is not a motive of mine, sir.
You belong to Gaya district.
Yes, sir.
What is the police problems of the Gaya district?
Sir, there are some kind of law and order issue, although the policing is working extraordinarily good, but there are some kind of issues, and those are solved by the officials. And some of the issue includes some kind of theft, and especially the child kidnapping is done in Gaya, sir.
It is prevailing all of the Bihar, not all Bihar, but all of whole India.
Yes, sir.
But special problems of the Gaya district.
Sir, criminal background, especially people from a criminal background who are joining political parties, there are kind of hurdles for the administration, sir.
Any Naxalite problem?
Yes, sir. Naxal problem is there in Serghati, sir. We have some kind of Naxal problem in Jahanabad also. But nowadays, with the help of Central Armed Police Forces, now it has been reduced to a large extent. Earlier, 215 districts were disturbed from left-wing extremism. Now it has reduced to 19 districts.
What is the difference between the police district? Have you heard the name of police district?
Police district?
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. I will recall it right now.
Oh. These days I have heard the urban Naxal.
Yes, sir.
What is the primitive Naxal and urban Naxal? I don't know what is the difference between these.
Sir, urban Naxal is a new tenets to the society. Earlier, the origin of the Naxalism came out from the Naxalbari district of Darjeeling, that is in 1967. And they have different kind of grievances, especially regarding the land. But now the urban Naxal is something. Now the people who lives in the slum area, now they are asking for their rights, and these give birth to urban Naxalism.
Is there any burning topic of urban Naxal?
So nowadays, urban Naxalism is getting into highlighted because of a number of issues, like the government, especially the government has taken a number of initiatives to eliminate the slums from the people, and the Naxal, the earlier Naxal are now supporting them. Now they are funding them, and which leads to the disdevelopment of the state.
Your first choice is police service.
Yes, sir.
Why you went to the police service? What is the special feature which is inherent to you that the department will offer you the police work?
Sir, actually, sir, my father is a police officer, and even I got birth in Malsalami Thana, that is in Patna. So khaki or the uniform is something that I have seen since childhood, and as I have seen my father working in uniform for the state concern, and as he is a person of highest degree of integrity, so most of the inspiration comes from him. And sir, another thing is that, sir, policing is something that is a kind of passion for me, and is a go-to institution for any kind of a stress. And police department is something that is approached by everyone, be it rich, poor, child, or everyone. And even if we listen to some of the issue of the person, this will help them a lot. So, sir, policing is something that is...
Only two qualities is sufficient to give you the job of the police service. Only two qualities.
Sir, I am physically fit, I am mentally fit, and I have passion towards policing. I will take the job as a commitment, sir.
ठीक है।